Hi, today tear down of this Sony LCD color monitor from the flea market the other day, model XV-M30E, because well, it is not working. It is doing nothing else than this. You can see a very dim light inside. I was not able to get any picture displaying on this. I think we can expect a blue screen with no signal input, but it is not doing. It is doing something grayish. And really, even the brightness control does not work. Nothing works, and it is quite a piece of plastic crap. Anyway, so it is old, but sadly not working. And it is consumer grade, it is not broadcast grade, so well, serial number 101603. We have here the battery release button, on the side AV in, earphone out, volume button control, power switch, brightness, color, and DC input. Speaker here, and here the mount to the camera. So what do we have? We have in this thing, in fact it is quite crappy inside, not that fascinating, so let's zoom in a little bit. Here is what it looks like. We have no connectors whatsoever to disconnect these wires here, so let's cut them. So in this part goes the mechanism of the battery, the contacts, and the speaker. Here we have a circuit board with a fuse and a reverse polarity protection diode, it seems. Some bulk capacitors here, a big glass delay line from Asahi Glass Company, and it is almost everything what we can see on one microchip here. So now I have to figure out how to remove this PCB, which seems to be quite interesting, because I do not see any screw. Oh, I guess it is a way to remove it. And yes, we have one flex cable here, probably going to the LCD. And one grounding cable. So here we are, you can see the LCD is in two parts. We have the panel itself, which remains attached to the front. And we have here the backlight, which is made, interestingly enough, with cold cathode tubes, it seems. There is this white background plate, light diffuser, and we have here the cold cathodes. So I am wondering if I can try to power them on. Possibly without zapping myself with a high voltage. Just 1 second. Okay. It will be good enough. So let's reconnect my leads to my power supply. here we are. I am not sure about the position of this button here. Yes, it is shining, but the camera will probably amplify the effect, but in real life it looks pretty dim, in fact. Really a dim light. Nothing fascinating here. So we have two CFL bars, CFL tubes that seem to be clipped in other spring things here and here, like so. And it is interesting to note the caps at the end are not in metal. It is some kind of black rubber material, probably carbon loaded to be some bit conductive. Interesting, I was not expecting this. Okay. So, these are probably keepers. Oh, I can see metallization here. So metal track printed on the glass. Really not something you can expect. So, and here we have this reflector piece. Yes, I can see two screws, probably keeping it in place. Yes, here we are. So this is just plastic, and there is some kind of shading aluminium foil at the back. On this PCB we have the high voltage power supply, probably here for the CFLs, two trim pots, quartz here, inductor, transformer, high voltage capacitors, the connection to the LCD, and most of the tracks from this connector seem to go directly to the chip here. And we have this thing, which is look at this, a glass delay line. Yes. So the way it works, there is one in fact it propages waves in the glass, which reflects on each 35 degrees corner, and so it takes a delay to arrive to the receiver side. I guess I believe there is a video a demonstration video about this somewhere. So they are all the same inside this kind of setup. Some very special glass, probably, by the way. Okay, and it is all for this. Maybe I will save the fuse here. It can always be useful. And apart from this, not sure there is anything else worth saving. Quartz maybe, connectors, I will see. Okay, we are left with the LCD panel itself, which is attached, it seems, by 4 screws. So I guess we will only have a shape on glass here to drive the rows and columns of LCD, and nothing else. There is some kind of a gasket here on the front glass. This goes to scrap. Okay, here is a whole bunch of serial numbers here, model numbers. And it looks like we may have actually some electronics on the side. So I need to pop up this. There are some clips on the side. Trying not to harm myself. Okay. So this is the front piece. We have back piece with more light diffuser. And we have this whole LCD assembly. Hot bar solders here. Quite interesting. I was not expecting this. And here on the side, what seems to be a chip-on-board or a BGA package. Not really easy to tell. Or a BGA chip-on-board combination, it looks like. And we just have here hot bar solders, which may probably go off pretty easily with a cutter, like so. This is a piece of crap. Probably very primitive LCD technology here. Yes, we have this kind of frame PCB going all around. And this was just a chip-on-board, by the way. Okay. And here we have the LCD itself, more framework around it, and for flex circuits with chip-on film and hot bar solder or some kind of contact to the LCD panel itself, silicon group here or epoxy, wherever it is very hard. And you can see the chip-on film are coated in this black epoxy coating. It is quite... the camera has some issues, in fact, because of reflection on this piece, it seems. And here you have tracks which are insanely fine. You can barely not see them by naked eye. And lots of them everywhere here, going directly to the rows and columns of the LCD. So we have 4 controller chips on this thing, and 5 with, if you count this one also. Okay, so this was quite interesting, not totally expected contents for this whole thing. Do we have a needed code? Maybe here I have a 93, so it should be early 90s LCD technology, which is quite a thing. Okay, thanks for watching, bye bye.